Hi friends, this video I will show you complete how to make Waybill Bayan Saudi Arabia. Okay, see, you have to log in using your username password. You will receive OTP. Then you have to input your OTP. Then if you click OK, then it will show you. Here you have to select transport document. Then create new Waybill. Create a new transport document. Okay. Here I already added driver data inside. Okay, so no need to fill everything. Just click the driver name, select favorite drivers and click the driver name. It will come automatically to show you. I already added even our vehicle details also. So select favorite drivers, then you can select the truck detail. Just see now Waybill when we are loading the truck, then when we are going to deliver the truck, the material, the date. Okay, we have to input which day we are going to deliver, then which day the customer will going to receive this. Then after that add payload. Here we have to input sender details. Sender means our details, our factory details or our company details. Here from where, Riyadh or anywhere. Here we are which region, city, the address, complete address. Okay, the contact number, our contact number, who is the responsible for delivery now, the contact number. This is consignee to where we are going to deliver, the consignee address. Just I am making Waybill for one customer. See their contact number, the country where we are out of Saudi Arabia. You can select the country name, everything. Okay, the city address, complete address where you are going to deliver. This is only for public transport. Naql. Okay, the complete address we have to select. Then after that the delivery to customer, the delivery type, the payment type we have to select. Okay, the method of payment, then negotiable, no negotiable. So the total amount, the instruction bank transfer. Then we have to select now add goods to the tables. Here we are going to select which item we are going to sending the using truck, which item we are going to deliver. So I am here selecting concrete because I am sending concrete. So I am selecting this item. If you are sending any other item, you can select. There is all item available. Okay, I just mention intact. This is not damaged one, so it's intact. Then amount, the quantity 10, the ton, metric ton. If pallet, you select pallet. Then after that you check everything once if it's all correct. Confirm everything. Okay, because you have to check, then you have to select everything. Here I acknowledge it's correct, then there acknowledgement. Then see now the Waybill created. If you make construction, the Waybill will be created. Then you have to go view transportation document. There you can see your Waybill there. Then you can just view and print. There you can see your full Waybill, complete Waybill in PDF. The same time when you make Waybill for that time, your driver, the Waybill driver, he receive SMS. This is electronic invoice. This is the QR code. If you don't have this Waybill, the traffic police will make you 3,000 mukalafa fine. Okay friends, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Please support and subscribe. Thank you.